We're doing 6 regional hot dogs: Washington, California, Ohio, Rhode Island, Kansas, Alaska. Let's do it! Let me get this straight. For the Alaskan hot dog, it's chopped onion, sauteed in Coca-Cola. Is that right?
Yes.
First thing we're gonna do is fry up our onions for a few minutes. I'm so sorry. We're gonna deglaze these onions with Coke. Alright, it doesn't smell that bad. We're putting our disgusting Coke onions on our hot dogs. As you can see.
It's just another manic Monday.
Mom, you're trying.
That tastes like being poor. Kind of critique. It's kind of bitter, not in a good way. It's not good. I am careening towards an early death and wrapping this hot dog in bacon. This is... How the fuck did I fuck this up so bad? Action! Alright. I'm not even gonna say anything. This is self-explanatory. You can figure out what's going on. This is a hot dog. It's getting wrapped in bacon.
Just gonna pop these in a hot pan. That's called a heart attack.
This tastes like the 7th hot dog I've had today. But it's fucking good, bro. The bacon is a little bit charred, a little bit crispy. Inside it's just a whole hot dog. A little bit of bacon grease on the bun. Yeah, I could die.
We're grilling onions. No Coca-Cola this time, that's nasty.
Thank God.
To these grilled onions, we're adding chopped jalapeno.
Alright.
Action!
We're gonna smear our bun with our cream cheese. And move over to the stove. We're then gonna top that with some thinly sliced cabbage. And that is a Washington hot dog. Yeah, pretty good.
This is the Ohio hot dog. It's not actually a hot dog, it is a Polish beef kielbasa.
We're making a quick coleslaw. We're just doing shredded cabbage, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, black pepper, and mayonnaise. We're gonna add our barbecue sauce. Should I use this spoon?
Coleslaw, then hot sauce.
Gonna add our coleslaw on top of that. And our hot sauce on top of that. And apparently that's a hot dog in Ohio. Yeah, that's pretty good. It tastes like when your mom invites you to like a barbecue with like all her weird like scrapbook friends, and they have like weird dishes and stuff that are kind of good. This is like that but better.
So we're gonna start off with ground beef. About a half to 3/4 of a pound. And we want to brown that off in our pan. To the ground beef, we're adding cumin, chili powder, paprika. Okay, once we brown our beef, we gotta make a quick sauce, which is actually kind of like a spice paste. So you're gonna add a little bit of water, paprika, ground cumin, and chili powder. You just want to let it reduce until it actually makes a sauce, and then this is ready. So a Rhode Island hot wiener is actually a steamed hot dog and a steamed bun. So we're going to get a double boil going. We've got a little bit of water in the bottom of this pan, just enough so it steams. And we've got our steaming basket right here. Want to throw our hot dogs in. We're going to put our lid on. Once your hot dogs are almost done, you're going to take your lid off, and then you're going to put your buns on and steam those as well, only for about 30 seconds. So on top of the Rhode Island wiener, we put our spiced beef mixture. Oh, nice. And then raw, finely chopped onion. Then you top this with a little bit of celery salt, but I don't fuck with that.
First impressions, the bun is soft and pillowy, like your mother's body. It's like if you're trying to eat a coney dog, but like had $20 less for the week, this is what you'd eat. No, it's pretty good though. I like it.
We're gonna put the Swiss on our bun, and we gotta melt it, so we're gonna put the lid on the pan. After your cheese is melted, put your hot dog on the bun with your bare hands from the hot skillet like a fucking man. Ah, it's stuck!
So we're making a 1,000 Island dressing, starting with chopped pickles, adding some ketchup, and a spoon of mayonnaise, and just mixing that all together. We're now going to add our 1,000 Island dressing to our hot dog. And then on top of that, going to add a good helping of sauerkraut. This is a drippy ass hot dog. What do you say? That's in? That's fucking in, bro. That's good. I feel like cholesterol running through my veins. It's like Spider-Man with hot dog water.